In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect Claude AI with your Meta Ads account, step by step from scratch. By the end of this, you will be able to type one sentence and get a full campaign report instantly. Let's start. The first thing you need is the Claude desktop app. Go to claude.com/download and download it for Windows or Mac. It's free to download, but you'll need a Pro plan to use the connection feature we are setting up today. Once the app is installed, open it and sign in. I'm using Google Sign In here. It's the fastest option. You'll see a Sign In Complete screen. That means Claude is ready. Now, keep Claude open in the background. We are going to set up Pipeboard first before we come back to Claude. Now go to pipeboard.co and create a free account. Pipeboard is the tool that sits between Claude and your Meta Ads. It's the bridge that makes this whole thing work. Once you're inside Pipeboard, go to Connections and click on Facebook Ads. It will open a Facebook login pop-up. This is where you give Pipeboard permission to access your ad data. You'll see it says Reconnect Kathy Naresh to Pipeboard. Just click Reconnect or Connect to confirm. Facebook will now ask you which pages you want Pipeboard to access. You'll see all the Facebook pages and ad accounts linked to your profile. Here I can see Maruti Infra, SV Group, SV Constructions, Real Estate Plan. These are all the pages connected to my account. Select the ones you need or select all, then click Continue. One important thing to note here, Pipeboard connects all ad accounts linked to your Facebook profile at once. You can't pick individual accounts at this stage. That's just how Pipeboard works currently. And that's it. Facebook confirms Kathy Naresh has been connected to Pipeboard. Click Got It. Your Facebook ad accounts are now linked to Pipeboard. That was the hardest part, and it only took about 2 minutes. Now, look at the Pipeboard connections page. You can see Facebook Ads is connected, showing 13 ad accounts under my profile. Google Ads is also connected here with 2 accounts. And you can see TikTok Ads is available too if you want to connect that later. Now scroll down. This is the important part. You'll see a section called MCP server URLs. These are the 2 URLs you need to copy. Meta Ads URL is https://meta-ads.mcp.pipeboard.co/URL. We're going to paste this into Claude right now. Go back to Claude, open Settings, look for the Connectors or Integration section. Click Add Custom Connector. Give it a name. I'm calling it Meta Ads Pipeboard. Then paste the URL you just copied from Pipeboard. Click Connect. Claude will now open a browser tab to authenticate with Pipeboard. You'll see a Claude URL loading. Just wait a few seconds for it to complete. Once it's done, the connector will show as active inside Claude settings. That's the full setup done. Now open a new chat in the Claude desktop app. This is where the magic starts. I'm typing export raw stories by a Dash report. Meta Ads already connected. Notice I mentioned the client name, raw stories by a Dash, because I have multiple ad accounts connected. Always mention the account or campaign name so Claude knows exactly which data to pull. Hit send. Claude immediately starts asking smart questions before pulling the data. It asks, what date range should the report cover? I select last 30 days. Then, what level of data do you need? I select campaign level. Then, what metrics matter most? I select CTR, reach, impressions, spend, leads, and CPL. And finally, what output format do you want? I select Excel. This is what makes Claude different. It doesn't just dump raw data, it asks you what you actually need first, so the output is clean and ready to use. Claude now says, got it. Let me first pull the campaign data from Meta Ads, then build the Excel file. And you can see it working in real time. Pulling insights, identifying the Meta Ads tools it needs, processing everything in the background. No manual exporting, no logging into Ads Manager, no copy pasting. Claude is doing all of it directly through the Pipeboard connection we just set up. And here is the output. Claude has generated we just set up. And here is the output. Claude has generated a full campaign report for the last 30 days. Total spend 19,448 rupees. Total leads 262. It shows every campaign, Meta Ads using Pipeboard. And if you found this useful, follow me. I'll be sharing more workflows like this regularly.